Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I've got the Rike Knives Knight here with me for a maintenance video. And it shouldn't be really difficult to do this guy because it's constructed in a very simple way. In fact, you've got not a T10, but you've got T8 pivot right over here, which is out. And you use the same T8 for this screw right over here, which is out. Kinda. Is it out? Why it's not out? Oh yeah, look at that. And then I'm assuming, let's see, that if we do this side over here, we should be able to take this guy apart. No? Whatever. Let's just do also this one. And that is out. So just open the blade carefully. Can flip it over. And what am I missing? Maybe we need to do the clip. Sure, let's undo the clip. And that is the clip screw. So yeah, no, it wasn't needed. Let me see. So this gets open like that. And oh yeah, look at this. We have like a kind of like a standoff right over there. Really nice. Okay, so let's just clean up the inside. It's pretty clean. We have nice stainless steel washers right over here, and we have also bearings, of course, which look like to be ceramic bearings, and with a plastic cage, so nothing too crazy going on over here. We have a keyed in pivot, absolutely not, but we have a nice pivot collar, and again another set of washers right there. Let's just give a little clean up to the bearings. 1 and 2, done. There you have it. So that's pretty straightforward, guys. We're gonna clean up a little bit this area and we can dry it out, and let's put it back together, guys. So look at this. That's 1 and that is 2. We are gonna use 10 weight because I like that with the bearings, and that's a little bit too much, so don't overdo it. Here I see some gunk. Maybe we can just clean it out like so. Yes. Alright, so this guy is in. Nice integrated stop pin in the blade. I really appreciate that. Much easier. And then this guy is in, and we've got a little bit also of nano oil right over there. And since we are here open, we're just gonna do just a little drop of heavier weight nano oil on the detent ball. And we are basically done. Nice 3D milled titanium backspacer. It's nicely done, guys. The only issue of this knife here is the weak detent. That's the only thing that I'm not truly a fan of. But hey, can't have everything in life, right? So there's 2 sets of screws. One is larger and goes right over here, for example, and that is done. And the second one is the smaller one, which goes over here like so. And there's another one that goes on the back. So they have the same T8 Torx bit that it's needed, but they have different sizes of the head, which is awesome. So you can't really make any mistake in reassembling this guy, which is a nice thing. So then this guy Guys, this is titanium hardware, by the way, and it's amazing. It's anodized, so let's see how we are doing now. This was pretty quick, right? So that is done. Just clean up a little bit like that. So let's see. Ooh, this is smooth. Let me see if we are tight right over here. Let's tighten everything back together, just like so. And like that. Beautiful. Wow. Would you look at the action of this guy? Blade is perfectly centered. Detent is on the weak side, but the action is smooth. I really... Ooh. You see? Very weak detent. You can easily fail this guy. But if you just do a light switch or like a decisive, like push button, this guy's gonna deploy. And it is actually really, really smooth. I am digging it. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.